the BrightLine Canopy. In this video, we'll connect two pre-built BrightLine D panels into an L configuration, then stand them up and attach them to an assembled back wall. To do this, we recommend having two people and a ladder. Before you begin, clear your workspace and confirm you have two assembled BrightLine D panels, along with the required connectors. Start by connecting the two panel D frames together on the floor. Align the T connectors at the bend, insert it into both frame channels, rotate the clamps 90 degrees, and push down to lock. Next, install the 90-degree connectors into the top panel frame. These will be the connection points to the back wall once the display is set up right. Lastly, check that all connector clamps are fully locked and the panels are straight. If so, your BrightLine Canopy installation is complete.